house clean the ceilings? I'm sure they do it regularly. Why? Because all the dust gets gathered around one corner of the ceiling. And then they need to get a long broom and then start cleaning it. But why to waste so much of time and energy? Why wasn't there a simple, easy way? Think of it. A simple, easy way to clean your ceilings. How about we call it the self-cleaning ceiling machine? Well, what this machine does is that it comes like an LED light. You have to put it around the whole house, around every ceiling in your house. This way, when you just click a button, the machine will start absorbing the dust and clean the ceiling by itself. This way, you won't have to worry about cleaning the ceilings regularly. It's a easy, simple way to clean your ceilings. So I hope you like my video. But for now, bye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.